Open up the piano and let's play the Chords of You Say by Daigle. This is how you sound when you have completed this lesson.
When I can't feel a thing, you say I am strong. When I think I am weak.
Let's start with the introduction of this song. Right hand, we have a total of 4 patterns and we're going to master it. And then we're going to have the first pattern, we're going to have a F, A to C to A. Okay, and left hand is a F. Okay, so the fingering that I'm using is 5-1-2-1, 5-1-2-1, 5-1-2-1, 5-1-2-1, 5-1-2-1. Okay, so we're going to do it slowly first. Ready? 1, 2, and we go. 5-1-2-1, 5-1-2-1, F, A, C, A, F, A, C, A. Actual speed, twice the speed. 1, 2, and we go. F, A, C, A. And next pattern, we're going to have an A minor. We're going to have a finger 4, 1 and 2. We're going to E, A, C, A. Total of 4 times. Left hand, I have a finger 3. Since this chord on the right hand is built on A minor, left hand, I'm going to support A with the A minor. So finger 1, 4, 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 2, 1. Alphabet is going to be a E, A, C, A. We're going to do it 4 times. Let's do it slowly together. Ready? 1, 2, and we go. E, A, C, A, E, A, C, A, E, A, C, A, E, A, C, A. Twice the speed. Ready? Twice D, and we go. E, A, C, A, E, A, C, A, E, A, C, A, E, A, C, A. And next we have a D minor. We have a finger 5, go back to F, thumb still on A, finger 3 on D. Okay, and the left hand I'm going to activate our thumb. F, A, D, A, F, A, D, A, F, A, D, A, F, A, D, A. I'm going to use my finger 5, 1, 3, 1 for 4 times. Let's do it slowly. Ready? 1, 2, and we go. 5, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 3, 1, F, A, D, A, F, A, D, A. Original speed, twice the speed. Ready? 1, 2, ready, and we go. F, A, D, A, F, A, D, A, F, A, D, A, F, A, D, A. And lastly, we have our B flat major chord, and we're going to have our finger 5 on F again. Our thumb, we're going to move the whole hand down so that our thumb sits nicely on B flat. Finger 3 is on D. We're going to have F, B flat, D, B flat for 4 times. My fingering, I use 5, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 3, 1. Left hand, I have a B flat. Okay, so let's do it 4 times slowly. Ready? 1, 2, and we go. 5, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 3, 1, F, B flat, D, B flat, F, B flat, D, B flat. Actual speed, twice the speed. Ready? 1, 2, and we go. So if I were to combine the 4 patterns together, one after another without any break, 1, 2, ready, both hand F. A, the left hand. And D, B flat. Learning this song and want to go further? I've got a full piano resource waiting for you. From chord sheets, piano scores, practice plans, MP3 tracks, and even a goal checklist. It's all up on my Patreon, so come grab it and level up your playing. Let's move on to our chords for our verse and our chorus. So since left hand, there's only 4 notes on our left hand. Right hand, we also have 4 patterns. This entire song has a total of 4 chords. The first chord that we have is a F chord. We're going to move up 4 steps up from middle C. This is my middle C. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a F. I'm going to put my thumb on F, finger 3 on A, finger 5 on C. Left hand, I'm going to activate F. This is your F major chord. The next chord, I have an A minor. I'm going to keep my A and the C, finger 3 and finger 5. Now, just now for our thumb, we were at F. Now we're going to move down to E. So since we have only 4 chords for this song, we are going to keep it to the closed inversion so that we do not need to move our hands too much. Okay, so this is our A minor on our right hand, and our left hand, I'm going to activate finger 3. Okay, 2 steps up from our F just now that we played. Now, this is our A minor. And next we have our D minor. Okay, we're gonna move. I'm gonna keep the A on our finger 3. I'm gonna move back up, thumb to F. Okay, and then we're gonna stretch up finger 5 to D. Okay, so you can use 1, 2, 1, 3, 5 or 1, 2, 5 also, no problem. And then for our left hand, we're going to stretch a little bit higher, just like the introduction, we have a D. This is our D minor. And lastly, for our B flat major, I'm going to keep the F, I'm going to keep the D. Okay, from finger 2, I'm going to change to finger 3 on B flat. Now, this is our B flat major. So all you need to do is to change one finger. Our F and D remain. And left hand, we have a B flat. This is our B flat major. Okay, so let's practice these 4 chords. We're going to play each chord 4 times, from F to A minor to D minor to B flat. Ready? 1, 2, ready. F 4 times. 1, 2, 3. For A minor, 1, 2, 3. D minor. B flat. And F. Done. So there's different playing patterns for individual parts. Now for the verse, we're going to keep it to simple pattern. We're going to have a both, right, right, right for the 4 chords. So let's start our verse 1. F chord. I keep fighting voices in my A minor, mind that say I'm not enough. D minor. B flat. F chord. Every single line that tells me A minor, I will never measure up. D minor. B flat. F chord. Am I more than just the sum of A minor, every high and every low? D minor. B flat. Re, F chord. Mind me once again just who I, A minor, and cause I need to know. D minor. Oh, oh, B flat. You say I am loved. Let's try verse 1 smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, and we go. I keep fighting voices in my mind that say I'm not enough. D minor. B flat. And F chord. Every single line that tells A minor will never measure up. D minor. B flat. And F chord. Am I more than just the sum? A minor, re high and every low. D minor. B flat. F chord. Remind me once again just who A minor, because I need to know. D minor. Oh, oh. You say I am loved. Let's go to chorus, and we're going to change our playing pattern. For our chorus playing pattern is going to be a both, right, left, right, right. Since chorus is the climax of the song, we're going to play a little bit more. Both, right, left, right, right. You say I am loved when I can feel a thing. A minor. You say I am strong. D minor. When I think I am weak. B flat. And you say I am help. F. When I am falling short. A minor. And when I don't belong. D minor. Oh, you say I am yours. B flat. And I believe. F chord. Oh, I believe. A minor. What you say. D minor. Of me. I believe. B flat. So let's try chorus smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. You say I am loved when I can feel a thing. You say I am strong when I think I am weak. You say I am help when I am falling short. And when I don't belong, oh, you say I am yours, and I believe, oh, I believe what you say of me, and I believe. Let's go. Verse 2, same 4 chords. We're going to go back to our previous pattern, both right, right, right. The F chord. Only thing that matters now is A minor. Everything you think of me, D minor. B flat. In F chord. You, I find my worth in you, I, A minor. Find my identity, D minor. Oh, B flat. Let's try verse 2, smoothly ready. 1, 2, and we go. The only thing that matters now is everything you think of me, D minor to B flat. Back to F. In you, I find my worth in you, I, A minor. Find my identity, D minor. Oh, B flat. You say I am love, and then we go back to our chorus. And lastly, we have our verse 3, very similar, is exactly the same pattern and the same chords as verse 2 and verse 1. Taking F chord, taking all I have, and now I'm A minor, laying it at your feet, D minor, B flat, F chord. You have every failure, God, A minor. You have every victory, D minor. Oh, B flat. Say I am strong. So let's play verse 3, smoothly ready. 1, 2, ready, go. Taking all I have, and now I, A minor, laying it at your feet, D minor, 2, 3, and B flat. F chord, you have every failure, God, A minor. You have every victory, D minor. Oh, B flat. You say I am strong. Now let's put the full song together in my next practice track video, and don't forget to grab the chord sheet on my Patreon and play along.